Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have a cluster and kubeconfig. Start by adding the official Ingress Engine X Helm repo and updating it so you pull the latest manifests. Then create the Ingress Engine X namespace and run Helm install with a clear release name. This deploys the controller deployment, service, CRD, and default config map. You do this to get a supported, upgradable release and consistent manifests. Make sure your kubectl context is correct before applying, since Helm will target the active cluster and namespace. Once the controller is installed, configure how it exposes itself. Select service type load balancer on cloud or node port plus metal LB on bare metal. This determines your external IP behavior. Next, tune Helm values or edit the controller config map for timeouts, proxy headers, and client body size so ingress rules behave predictably. Also install Cert Manager and create a cluster issuer for automated TLS. You want ingresses to negotiate certificates automatically. You're almost done. Confirm the controller pods are ready and the service has an external IP or node port assigned. Then create an ingress manifest pointing your host to backend service and test with curl and a browser. Validate TLS if enabled. If traffic fails, inspect controller logs and kubectl describe output for the ingress and service to find denied routes or missing endpoints. Key troubleshooting tip: if no external IP appears, check cloud LB quotas, metal LB config, and cluster firewall rules before changing ingress manifests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.